today I am opening this new thing. It's 5 Surprises Mini Brands, and it is by Zuru.
Oh,
It's
so
a
that is the
pocket
newest
egg.
thing, y'all.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it.
Okay.
So, yeah. Okay, so I gotta pull this thing off. Oh, I got it.
Okay, and so it opens up like a little egg.
Yeah,
Like a little
so
flower.
I'm gonna open this one first.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I got Dove Men Care.
Dove Men Care? Oh my gosh. Let me see.
You can check the camera.
Wow, how cute is this? Oh, it's focusing on you. Let me see. Oh gosh. There we go. Oh, it's so cute. And it's a little heavy too.
Now let's open this one. Oh my gosh. No way! It's Q-tips!
Oh, how cute is that? Oh my gosh, how cute is this, guys? Look. Oh my gosh. Oh, and it has the actual stuff in the bag. Super cute.
Okay, now let's open this one right here. Oh my gosh, it's Vaseline!
Oh, we love Vaseline. How cute. It actually looks like a real Vaseline, but it's super tiny. Look, that's exactly how our Vaseline looks at the house. Look, oh my gosh, super cute.
Okay, and I see something in this one that's really big. Okay, this is just a collector's guide. No way. No way! I think it's dry oil. I don't know what that is. What is
I think
that?
that's bar soap.
Bar soap?
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
Yes, 2 bars. How cute is that?
Okay, I think we have one.
Now, I
more.
believe the last one is going to either be a shelf that we'll have to put together later, a shopping cart, or a buggy. Or a shopping cart, that's the same thing, buggy, or a, what do you call those things? A basket, a little basket, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
Let's see.
So we'll see, and then we'll put that together later.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
These are so cute.
I
They're going
think
to be so cute to play with like...
I think I got a buggy.
Oh, you got a buggy? Okay, we will put that together later, okay?
Okay. And the chocolate.
This is what the shopping cart turned out to be. This is all that Hillary got in her 5 surprise thing. Let's see. The Dove. I think the Dove and the Vaseline is my favorite. Which is your favorite, Hillary?
And probably, it's a tie between the ice cream
Oh yeah, look at this ice cream.
and the Q-tips
Q-tips.
and this pasta thing. I just love all of it.
Oh, me too.
I can't choose.
So we got all kinds of stuff. Look how real these look.
And plus, this is like from the same maker of the Vaseline.
Yeah, and then also we got an actually rolling shopping cart and shelves to put stuff on.
Yeah,
Let's see how good they do.
maybe. Yeah, we should put almost all. Let's try
Yeah.
to put some things on there.
Okay.
Maybe
Here,
we
let's
should.
put something little on the next one. Oh, try the ice cream on the second row.
Maybe.
Oh my gosh, how cute, guys.
And maybe we could put Bye guys, I'm about to go eat some pizza. Bye.